Assalamu alaikum. This is the Advanced Comparative Constitutional Advocate GULRAIZ King, and tonight is the 21st of the August, year 2024, and I would address a lot of the issues of the public, the humans, and regarding especially the females. Now, it is a fact in law which is not being observed by the public, and I'm so intolerant regarding my inner soul after observing these intellectual thoughts that could be refreshed in the face value to the public, that whether the public is in the position as to intellectually understand that whether their females are in the position as to provide a sufficient generation, or such females are in the fluctuations of the public departments, administrative organs, semi-government organs, or the other post-government organs in the Pakistan. Why I'm considering such questions and why I'm considering such issues? I'm the person who constructively, legally battling regarding the issues of the female stat in Pakistan. Around about 75% of the females populations, and the rest of the 25% females are, as per my statistical configuration, that such females fall in the domains of the narcotics over processed volume production, and such females do not know the valuation of such items, and that's the way when such females could be married in the public sector, could not prove cost effective to their concurrent husbands, and in the aftermath of such marriage the divorces are turning over, or the marriage divorces turnover could be observed in the public sector into the high inclined values, and we are not observing such issues, that whether your females are in the safe custody or not. And a lot of the females are suffering out of the guardian issues. Guardian means such parents which have produced the females without having the valuations of their upcoming years in the Pakistan. It is very difficult to maintain the females, because I found that a 14 years old age girl was raped, yes, in Pakistan, and such girl was raped 14 years, and now it is very difficult to figure out who is the culprit. These are the basic issues. I invented the section 376 AA and 376 BB and Pakistan Penal Code 1860. I was bound to understand the Pakistan Penal Code. Before it was Pakistan Penal Code, it was Indian Penal Code, and I raise a landmark judicial question here, that we provide the tribute to our leaders like Qaid-e-Azam, Muhammad, our respected leader Qaid-e-Azam. A lot of the human beings celebrate this thing, that he was a very authentic lawyer. But I am not of that opinion, because I consider that if Qaid-e-Azam was a leader, why he was failed to provide the proper legislation to Pakistan within a year? Because legalizing the state is a work for a month, not for a year. It is, and why Mr. Qaid-e-Azam just had the post of the governor, irrespective of the legislature of the Pakistan? Because he was a barrister, and he doesn't know how to write down the laws. He had no value regarding these things, and that's the way we are suffering. The Indians have the Indian Penal Code, IPC 1860, Tazirat-e-Hind, and the Pakistan have the Pakistan Penal Code 1860, Tazirat-e-Pakistan. All the sections are equivalent and similar, and there is no difference regarding the both law statutes. So basically we are following the Hindu punishments in our Tazirate culture, and we are expecting Islamic Sharia in the federal laws of Pakistan, which is impossible as per my observation. And when we confine any culprit of the rape in Pakistan, why he always flee away because of the undue coercion, undue influence, pressure, embezzlement of the public money within the departments, and that's the way they have the dealers of the property and other etc. state criminals. So these are the basic things which led me into consideration that if there is not even a single legislature in the history of the Pakistan which provided the Pakistan a proper piece of legislation, and I myself devoted 10 years for the betterment of the Pakistan to make this land cost effective for my and your upcoming generation, especially the females at large, because I figured out that the females are not in the proper reconciled way of assessment to their characters building as per the intellectual evaluation of the male defection areas in Pakistan. The males are totally reflecting into the mirrors of burning images in the public sector, and I am just totally out of my senses after observing all these male dominant hierarchies in the Pakistan, that in the 95% of the males do not like the females to work in the public sector and that's the way the females are. And now there are post-traumatic marital females dominant areas where the females are being produced at the high volume paced rage area, and the females do not have the patience level. A lot of the females, this is the total marital destitution offense. Now when I was totally into the law books after observing a lot of the confined areas of the females lives in the Pakistan, a lot of the females are becoming subjections to the rape and other crimes and other unlawful activities. Now the females are actually criminal of the intoxicant drugs in Pakistan. You can observe a new crime, that female which injured a lot of the males and females, and a family killed, the said female killed a family. Now she could not be escaped from the legal channel as per the law of the land, but a lot of the males have raised the plea that she will be escaped because of the state scapegoat, and thereafter a lot of the human beings are not considering the rights of the females and the legal channels. These primary issues are leading due to failure of the legislation. If the Parliament of the Pakistan is serious regarding the stoppage of such criminal offences in Pakistan, they must consult my laws in Pakistan or infuse my laws in Pakistan as to safeguard the dignities of the respected females in Pakistan. Otherwise, I am sure that within a decade the females will even not breathe in Pakistan because of the malified trap of the rapist criminals wandering here and there in the public streets, warfare areas, everywhere, and the females find themselves very inconvenient as to safeguard their modesty, respect, and we are constructively observing such factors in the lives of the females in Pakistan. We are speechless regarding the rape issues, the killings of the females, the murders, the brutalities regarding the females' lives in the Pakistan, the begging positions of the lawful immigrant females, and the international migration of the females' laws in the Pakistan. These things are leading me into consideration of the females' behaviors must be construed by the legislature of the Pakistan or by the parliament. Stay blessed.